In the bustling kitchen, the fridge grumbles. Hey, why is the leftover pizza sitting on the counter like it's waiting for a date? An annoyed fruit bowl responds, I've seen healthier relationships. Just look at those brown bananas. Suddenly, the microwave interjects, at least I'm not cluttered with ancient leftovers. Last week, the pickle jar proposed a special on expired condiments. The fridge retorts, well, at least I don't beep like a sensitive fire alarm whenever I'm feeling too warm. Just then, a smart speaker adds, you guys should chill, pun intended. With all this tension, it's starting to sound like a reality show, keeping up with the kitchen caboodles.